She's now facing more federal charges in a completely separate case. State Senator Katrina Robinson was charged today with conspiracy to commit wire fraud and conspiracy to commit money laundering. WRG's Luke Jones is live outside the federal building. And Luke, prosecutors say that they have text messages to prove their point.
Yeah, they're all laid out in this criminal complaint here, and perhaps the most incriminating of those messages, prosecutors saying Robinson texted her alleged co-conspirators, delete all this. Now this after the two women, she and two other women, I should say, are accused of going back and forth arranging to create a fake tuition bill. Also, they could scam a man out of $14,000. First, her nursing school was raided. Then she was indicted for embezzling federal grant money. And now, State Senator Katrina Robinson has been indicted again. A 10-page criminal complaint laying out how prosecutors say she and two other women scammed a man out of $14,000. Things allegedly got started when Brooke Boudreaux, seen here after a 2018 arrest, met the victim in a Las Vegas bar, and the two began a relationship. Investigators say she then asked him to pay for her tuition at Robinson's nursing school, even though Boudreaux was not enrolled as a student. Text message transcripts provided by prosecutors show a woman named Kate Ayers reaching out to Robinson in October 2017. A few days later, Robinson, Boudreaux, and Ayers allegedly agree on a tuition price, even though investigators say Boudreaux had no plans to attend classes. Robinson allegedly asks, "How much money do you need to get out of this transaction? So I know how much to charge him so I can get some cash." Prosecutors claim Boudreaux wanted $10,000 and claim the women set up a meeting with the victim. The transcript shows Robinson writing, "Love you too. Now erase all this expletive." That same day, the victim told investigators he went with Boudreaux to pay the fake tuition bill at Robinson's school and charged $14,470 to his credit card. A month later, prosecutors say Robinson wrote Boudreaux a check from the school's bank account for $10,082. In a statement, Robinson's attorney says Miss Robinson denies there was anything wrong or illegal with the transaction and further denies that she was aware of any illegal activity connected to it, adding, "We are surprised that the federal government would attempt to turn a small monetary transaction into a federal offense." Now, of course, prosecutors tonight saying this transaction was anything but above board, and it is the same office handling her embezzlement case for which she is due in court in March. Now, if convicted of these latest charges, along with those two other women, she faces up to 20 years in federal prison.
I'm going to have that bitch fired.
I have a disc for you.
I don't have time to watch discs.
You're going to want to take a look at this one. I've seen it twice myself, and it's got everything. Action, disaster, government corruption. It's the proof you need. Everything you've been warning us about has already happened, and it's all right here. Look, why don't you stop being such a pain in the ass and take a look at this?